In Rancho Bay, where the bright sun shines, lives a team of pups who help all the time. With wagging tails and hearts so true, there's always a job they're ready to do. Ryder is the leader, brave and smart, guiding every mission right from the start. Paw Patrol is on a roll, you'll hear him say, as the pups rush out to save the day. Marshall the Dalmatian slides down with cheer, a clumsy fire pup who conquers his fear. With his red fire truck and ladder so tall, he helps keep everyone safe from it all. Chase the police, pup runs fast and strong, keeping the streets safe all day long. In his blue uniform, loyal and bold, he follows the rules just like he's told. Sky takes to the sky in her helicopter bright, zooming through clouds, a beautiful sight. Let's take to the sky, she happily cries, with spinning wings as she soars and flies. Rubble loves digging, he's never slow. With his yellow bulldozer, he's ready to go. Rubble on the double, he shouts with pride, moving big rocks and dirt aside. Rocky the recycler says, don't throw away. He finds new uses for things every day. Green is his color, clever and wise, turning old things into helpful supplies. Zuma splashes in water, orange and bright, diving and swimming with pure delight. With his hovercraft, he rides every wave, always ready someone to save. Everest joins from the snowy peaks, helping in mountains when someone seeks. With her warm smile and snowy sled, she rescues those who might have dread. Whenever there's trouble, big or small, the Paw Patrol team will answer the call. From mountains to sea, from sky to ground, the bravest little heroes can all